Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to show you my new purchase. It's a journaling book and I got two of them. The lavender one for me and the teal one for my mom. Before we see what journaling is all about and how it's used, let's see a quick unboxing video. As usual, this is not a sponsored video and I ordered these on Amazon India for 600 rupees each. I got the dot grid pattern in B5 size, which has around 200 pages in it. They are available in different sizes and paper patterns like ruled, dot grid, plain and square grid. And they also have various color options. Let's see a quick unboxing video. Each journal comes in a cardboard box like this, which I felt is cool for storing them. Inside we have some label stickers which I will show you in a moment, and here is the journal. The pleasure of opening a new book is definitely an experience of its own. Let's see the contents in detail. First, we have a thank you card followed by their note. Then we have these labels which I might not really use. The square one I guess is for writing our details or for writing gift notes. And the long label can be used to stick on the side of the book so that it's easy to identify the book when it's stacked. The book is quite heavy and the outer cover seems waterproof. The branding is found at the back of the book and the book is neatly secured by an elastic band. Inside the book, we have the first page to write our name, and it's pretty thick. The inner print also matches the color of the outer cover. However, there is no index page and no page numbers. There are two bookmarks and one of them matches the outer cover. The dots are so light and the pages are 100 GSM, so they too are pretty thick. I'm glad that the book lays flat when opened. At the back, there is a pouch in which we can store labels, stickers, or sticky notes. Lastly, here is a comparison of a B5 size journal with an A4 sheet and an A5 diary. Now let me tell you something about journaling. Journaling is another word for writing a diary, but in an aesthetic manner. You can have a journal for maintaining your routine or penning down your dreams, or keeping track of your goals or treasuring memorable events in your life, or even some random stuff. The goal is to diligently use it and at the same time decorate it in your style to glam it up. I will definitely upload more videos on journaling, but for now I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye.